now we've got our little masks. One looks a little bit evil. The other guy looks like he's about to have a little cry. But we can add these focus points. Okay, how do we do that? So select your card and then select focus points. Now I put my focus point over here just to show you what it looks like or what it will look like. Because I want it to focus on the sad guy. And then maybe potentially I could put some text in there as well. Okay. So to test to see what that looks like, you go to design and you scroll down. Now you can't see all of the image, which may be a problem for you, but it does focus more on this mask, the unhappy one, as opposed to this evil one. Okay, so let's have a look to see what it would look like without that. So I can just drag it over here this time. So I want it to focus on the evil mask. So again, always just go back to design, just to check to see what you've done, and you can see it certainly focuses on this guy. Of course, we don't need to do any of that. We can just, go into focus points, reset, and just say the entire image is important. And for that one, go back to design, and you can see the full image is displayed. A couple of other things there actually we haven't covered before, which is this emphasis. So you've got this one, which is, I'm pretty sure is what I just did there in terms of the focus point. You can go for this, which is moderate emphasis, which we can show you what that looks like. So it's bigger, or intense emphasis, which I'm guessing is bigger still. It doesn't really work in this image because it's quite small, but I have tested this on other images and it does change the size. So again, that was the smallest emphasis setting. Let's go back to the intense one. There's definitely a change in image size. So that's what that little guy does here.